Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany here. Today I'm bringing you guys one more episode for the food series, and that will be the episode 8. This will be a special edition because it will be the summer edition. We need to be freshen up, guys. So I brought this recipe. I actually saw it on YouTube, but I did my own thing as always, and I'm showing you guys how I did it and my own way I did it. But if you wanted to search, you can search. But I hope you enjoyed the video and the recipe itself, and let's get into this. The video and the recipe itself. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends and family members. Turn your notifications on so you can be notified whenever I post. This recipe you will use during this summer and all the summer sessions for all other countries. So here in Mozambique it's actually summer, and yeah, it's very hot, and I came up with this sorbet. I saw the recipe and I did my own thing for this one, and I'm sharing with you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Take it to the beach and what do you think? But enjoy the recipe and give me feedbacks on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, DM me for any ideas, and you know guys, I'm here. You can ask me any questions, suggestions, and whatever. So be safe. Peace out.